Boil 5 large chopped potatoes. Cut into cubes 2 salmon and 2 haddock fillets, then fry to seal them. Now add salt and pepper to taste.
What you told in your mind when you're standing by my side. We could be easily anywhere in the world this time. We could be anything we ever wanted. 'Cause why would we even not wanna even try?
Now transfer to an oven-proof dish. Sauté a whole garlic bulb, 1 onion, and a thumb of ginger. Add 1 chopped courgettes and a half head of broccoli. And 2 carrots and 7 pieces of moons stew. Now sprinkle salt and pepper to taste. Cover and cook for a few minutes. Now mash your boiled potatoes with 50 grams of butter and 3 tablespoons fresh milk. Add vegetable to the fish. Spread on 1 bottle of mushroom sauce or chicken tonight. Sprinkle on 1/2 cup of green peas. Now, 5 mashed potatoes on top. Cover with a cup of grated cheese. Garnish with 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs and 1 tablespoon of mixed herbs. Bake at 220 C for 30 minutes or until golden brown. Ta-da! Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. See you in my next video.